Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Grammar Lesson.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Mia.
Today is a review episode. We put all our article lessons together in one easy place.
A, an, the, and even no article at all.
One time I wrote, I saw a elephant and the dog barked at an cat. Everything was mixed up.
Jack, every single article was wrong in that sentence.
I know. It should say, I saw an elephant and a dog barked at the cat, or something close to that.
It happens to everyone when you're learning, but today we make it clear, right now.
We will give you one simple system. Use it anywhere, in writing, in speaking, every single day.
One system, so many places. Ready?
Here is the big picture. English has three articles, a, an, and the, plus one more option, no article at all.
4 choices total. Small words, but very important for clear English.
We will go through them one by one, nice and slow.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. A for one thing with a consonant sound.
We use a before a singular noun when the next sound is a consonant sound.
A cat, a book, a school. Simple, common examples.
I have a dog. I need a pen. She has a car.
A means one thing, but not a specific one. Any dog, any pen, any car.
Step 2. An for one thing with a vowel sound.
We use an before a singular noun when the next sound is a vowel sound.
An apple, an elephant, an orange.
I saw an owl. I ate an egg. She has an umbrella.
Remember, sound matters, not just the letter. An hour, because H is silent, so it sounds like hour.
And university because U sounds like U, a consonant sound, even though U is a vowel letter.
What was your mistake with this rule, Jack?
My story from the beginning. A elephant instead of an elephant. I forgot the vowel sound.
A very common mistake at the start of learning. We all make mistakes at first.
But now we notice them quickly and fix them fast.
Step 3. The for something specific or already known.
We use the when the listener already knows exactly which thing we mean.
Close the door when there is only one door in the room.
The sun is bright today. There is only one sun. Everyone knows it.
The points to something specific, something already known by both people.
Let's compare. I saw a cat. New information, first time. The cat was orange. Now we both know which cat.
First mention, use a or an. Second mention, use the. A very useful pattern.
Step 4. No article at all. The zero article.
Sometimes we use no article. This is also a rule.
We use no article for general plural ideas. I like music, not the music in general talk.
Dogs are friendly, not the dogs when speaking generally about all dogs.
We also skip articles with most country names. I live in Japan, not the Japan.
But some countries do use the United States, the Netherlands, a few small exceptions.
What do you like in general, Mia?
I like coffee and I like books. No article because it's general, not specific.
But I like the coffee at that shop. Now it's specific, so we use the.
Step 5. The 4 options side by side.
Let's put all 4 choices together so you can see the full picture.
A for one thing, consonant sound, not specific. An for one thing, vowel sound, not specific.
The for something specific or already known, singular or plural.
no article for general ideas, plurals, and most country names.
4 choices, one simple system for almost every noun in English.
Step 6. Articles with plural nouns.
Remember, a and an only go with singular nouns, never with plural nouns.
You cannot say a books. That is always incorrect.
For plural nouns, we use either the or no article at all.
I like books. General statement, no article.
The books on the table are mine, specific, so we use the.
This connects perfectly to our 0 article rule from Step 4.
Step 7. Common mistakes with articles.
Let's talk about a few classic mistakes learners make.
Mistake 1. Forgetting the article completely. I am teacher instead of I am a teacher.
Mistake 2. Using the too much. I like the pizza when you mean pizza in general.
Mistake 3. Mixing up a and an by letter, not sound. A hour instead of an hour.
What was your biggest mistake, Jack?
I told you already. A elephant from my story at the beginning.
I used to say, I am the student for everything. My friends laughed at me.
We all make these mistakes at first. It's part of learning.
But now we notice them quickly and fix them fast.
Step 8. Put it all together.
Now, let's build a few full sentences using every article together.
Listen to my example. I saw a bird in the park. The bird was small and it had an orange beak. I love birds, but I don't have a pet bird at home.
Listen to my example. I ate an apple and a sandwich for lunch. The apple was sweet, but the sandwich was a little cold. I usually eat healthy food.
See? We used a, an, the, and no article naturally in the same short story.
Nothing feels forced, nothing feels confusing.
That is the perfect balance.
See? Easy. Simple rules, clear sentences.
Step 9. Quick practice with real examples.
Let's try a simple game. I will say a word, you choose a, an, or the.
Ready? Hour. Vowel sound, silent H.
An hour.
University. Consonant sound, U.
A university.
Please close the door. There's only one door, specific.
The door.
Great job! You're getting faster already.
Try this game yourself with objects around your room right now.
This is the best practice. Thinking quickly again and again.
Step 10. Practice time.
Now it's your turn.
Question 1. Fill in the blank. I saw blank elephant at the zoo.
Question 2. Fill in the blank. Blank sun is very bright today.
Question 3. Fill in the blank. I need blank umbrella. It's raining.
Question 4. Fill in the blank. She is blank honest person.
Question 5. Fill in the blank. I like blank music, but not loud music.
Question 6. True or false? We use an before every word that starts with a vowel letter.
Now check your answers with a friend or write them in the comments below.
Say your sentences out loud. This is the best practice, again and again.
Let's review everything one more time very quickly.
Use a before consonant sound.
Use an before a vowel sound.
Use the for something specific or already known.
Use no article for general ideas and most plural or general nouns.
Listen to the sound, not just the spelling.
4 small rules. 1 simple system.
You don't need to remember everything today. Choose the rules you understand best.
Learning grammar is not a race. It's a walk, one small step at a time.
Articles are not scary ideas. They are helpers.
Helpers that make your English clear and easy to understand.
It all starts with one small question. Is this specific or is this general?
So remember, keep it simple. Practice daily and smile.
Remember my story from the beginning, Mia? a elephant and an cat? So many mistakes.
I remember. It made me smile.
But now, if someone asks me about articles, I don't freeze anymore.
So here is your challenge right now. Pause this video.
And say 4 sentences, one with a, one with an, one with the, and one with no article.
Go on, try it now. We'll wait.
Did you do it? Great job. That's it. You just reviewed the hardest part.
Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Grammar Lesson.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
And please share it with a friend who is also learning English.
And now for your homework and our question of the day.
Go to the comments section below. Write 4 sentences using a, an, the, and no article.
For example, I saw a cat. The cat was orange. It ate an apple. Cats love fruit.
We would love to read your comments.
Thank you all so much for reviewing with us today.
Stay curious and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun grammar episode.
And remember, choosing the right article makes your English crystal clear.
A, an, the, and no article. Your full system forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Jack.